Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here today. I am very, very happy to talk to all our listeners.
I am happy too, Paul. You look great today. You have a lot of energy.
Thank you, Emily. I feel good. I feel very healthy today.
That is perfect because today we have a very special topic.
Oh, I love special topics. What is it?
Today, we are talking about healthy habits, simple things we can do every day to feel good.
Wow, that is a very important topic. I like that. Everyone wants to feel good.
Yes, they do. But before we start our conversation, we have a small favor to ask.
Oh, yes. Everyone, if you like our podcast, please click the like button right now. It helps us a lot.
Yes, and please subscribe to Mr. English Channel. When you subscribe, you help us make more fun episodes for you.
And don't forget to share this with your friends. If your friend wants to learn English and be healthy, send them this link.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, Paul, are you ready to talk about healthy habits?
I am ready. Where do we start?
Let's start with something very, very simple. Something we do every day. Water.
Ah, water. I know water. But Emily, you know me. I love my coffee.
I know you love coffee, Paul. I love coffee too, but our bodies need water.
That is true. I drink a lot of coffee, but sometimes I forget to drink water.
Many people forget, but drinking water is a very healthy habit. It helps your brain and your body.
How much water should we drink, Emily?
Well, they say 8 glasses a day is good.
8 glasses? Wow, that is a lot of water.
It sounds like a lot, but you can start small. Remember what we said about confidence? Start small.
Oh, I remember. So maybe 1 glass in the morning?
Yes, 1 glass when you wake up. It is like a hello to your body.
Hello, body. Here is some water. I like that. I can do that.
And maybe 1 glass before lunch and 1 glass before dinner.
That makes it easy. Then it is not 8 glasses at one time.
Exactly. And Paul, do you like cold water or warm water?
In the summer, I like cold water with ice. It is very refreshing. But in the winter, I like warm water.
Warm water is very good for you too. Sometimes I put a little lemon in my water.
Oh, lemon. That sounds fancy.
It's not fancy, it's just a lemon. It makes the water taste fresh.
I will try that tomorrow. A glass of water with lemon. A healthy start.
Good job, Paul. Now let's talk about food. Healthy eating.
Ah, food. My favorite topic. But Emily, I love pizza. You know I love pepperoni pizza on Friday nights.
I remember. And I love cheese pizza. Pizza is okay sometimes, Paul. It's a want, remember?
Yes, from our money episode, needs and wants. Pizza is a want.
Exactly. But for our needs, we should eat healthy things every day, like fruits and vegetables.
Vegetables.
Oh, Paul, don't make that face. Vegetables are delicious.
Okay. I like some vegetables. I like carrots. They are crunchy.
Carrots are great. They are good for your eyes. And what about tomatoes?
I love tomatoes, especially on a salad.
See, you like healthy food. A good habit is to have many colors on your plate.
Colors? Like a rainbow?
Yes, red tomatoes, orange carrots, green broccoli.
Green broccoli. It looks like a small tree.
It does. It is a very healthy small tree. Eating colors is a fun way to be healthy.
That is a good idea. When I go to the supermarket with my shopping list, I will look for colors.
That is perfect, Paul. Red, orange, yellow, green. It is beautiful and healthy.
And what about fruit? I love fruit.
Fruit is the best. It is like healthy candy.
Healthy candy. I like that. I love red apples and sweet oranges.
Remember Maria and Leo? They met because of apples and oranges.
That's right. Apples are good for health and good for love.
Yes, an apple a day is a very famous healthy habit.
I usually have a banana in the morning. Is that good?
Bananas are excellent. They give you a lot of energy for the day.
I feel more energetic already just talking about it.
That is the spirit. Now, we have water and we have healthy food. What is next?
Moving? Like exercise?
Yes, moving your body. This is very important.
But Emily, I am so busy. I work all day. I sit at my desk and look at numbers. Remember the big report?
I remember, sitting all day is hard, but you don't need to go to the gym for 3 hours.
Oh, thank goodness. I don't like the gym. It is too loud.
You can just walk. Walking is the best exercise.
I like walking. I walk to the bus stop every morning.
That is a start, but maybe you can walk a little more. For example, after lunch, you can walk for 10 minutes.
10 minutes? That is short. I can do that.
Yes, just a small walk around the office or outside. The fresh air is good for your head, too.
I agree. When I walk, I feel less stressed.
Exactly. And remember our tips for confidence? When you walk, stand tall, shoulders back.
Standing up straight, like a superhero. Walking to the coffee shop like a superhero.
Yes, it makes you feel strong and healthy.
What about the stairs? My office is on the 3rd floor.
Oh, the stairs are a great healthy habit. Don't use the elevator. Use the stairs.
Oof, the 3rd floor is a lot of steps, Emily.
It is good for your legs, Paul. Think of it as a small mountain.
Okay, I will try the stairs. Maybe not every time, but once a day.
That is a great goal. 1 time a day. Small steps lead to big changes.
I like that. Small steps on the stairs.
You are funny today, Paul. Okay, so we have water, food, and moving. I have one more very important habit.
Is it sleeping?
Yes, how did you know?
Because I love my bed. But sometimes I don't sleep enough.
Many people stay up late. They look at their phones or watch TV.
Guilty. I watch movies late at night.
I know, it is fun, but sleep is when your body repairs itself. It is very important for your health.
I feel very tired when I don't sleep, and I'm grumpy.
I don't like a grumpy Paul. We want a happy Paul.
So how many hours do we need?
Most people need 7 or 8 hours of sleep.
8 hours. Okay. That means I need to go to bed earlier.
Yes, a good habit is to have a bedtime routine.
A routine? Like what?
Well, maybe 30 minutes before you sleep, you put away your phone.
No phone? But Emily, I check my emails.
No emails in bed, Paul. That is for work. Bed is for resting.
You are right. No phones. What should I do instead?
You can read a book or listen to some soft music.
Or listen to Mr. English podcast?
Yes, but only the quiet episodes. You want to relax.
And I have my comfortable blue pajamas. They help me feel relaxed.
Yes, put on your blue pajamas, read a book, and go to sleep.
That sounds like a very nice night. I think I will sleep very well.
You will, and you will wake up with so much energy.
Water, healthy food, walking, and sleeping. These are all very good habits.
They are, and they are all easy to start. You don't need a lot of money.
That's true. Water is cheap, walking is free, sleeping is free.
Yes, it is a great budget for health.
I feel very motivated now. I want to be the healthiest version of Paul.
I am happy to hear that. And what about your mind, Paul?
My mind?
Yes, being happy is a healthy habit too.
How can I practice being happy?
By doing things you love. For me, it is talking to my friends, like talking to you.
Oh, Emily, that is so nice. I like talking to you too. It makes me happy.
See, that is a healthy habit. Also, laughing. Laughing is very good for your heart.
Well, we laugh a lot on this podcast.
We do. That means we are very healthy.
I love it. So, being kind to people, laughing, and spending time with friends.
Yes, and maybe taking a moment to be quiet, just for 1 minute.
1 minute of silence? That is hard for me. I like to talk.
Just 1 minute, Paul, to breathe deeply and feel calm.
Okay, I can try that. 1 minute of Paul time.
Exactly. It helps your brain feel less busy.
Wow, Emily, we talked about many things today.
We did. It was a very good chat.
I feel like we should remember the main points together.
That is a great idea. Let's see. We started with water.
Yes, drinking water is the first step, especially in the morning. Hello, body.
And then we talked about the rainbow on our plate.
Right, eating many colors, red, orange, and green vegetables, and of course, apples and oranges.
And then we talked about moving, not the gym, but walking.
Walking for 10 minutes after lunch, and taking the stairs, my small mountain.
Don't forget the sleep, Paul.
Oh yes, 7 or 8 hours of sleep. No phones in bed, just my blue pajamas and a good book.
Perfect. And the last one was about being happy.
Laughing, talking to friends, and taking a minute to breathe.
You remembered everything. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Emily. It is easy when the tips are so fun.
I agree. Healthy habits don't have to be boring. They can be part of a happy life.
I am going to start today. I am going to drink a big glass of water right now.
Me too. My coffee is finished, so it is time for water.
Well, everyone, we hope you liked this episode about healthy habits.
We really do. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just try one small thing today.
Yes, one small victory for your health.
And before we go, we want to hear from you.
Yes, please leave a comment below. Tell us, what is one healthy habit you have?
Or what healthy habit do you want to start? Maybe drinking more water or walking more?
We love reading your comments. It is our favorite part of the day.
It really is. And please, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And give us a like if you had fun today. Share this with your family.
Thank you so much for listening to us. You are all wonderful.
Yes, thank you. It was so nice to talk with you, Emily.
You too, Paul. I feel very healthy and happy now.
Me too. Well, I think it is time to say goodbye.
Okay, see you in the next episode, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
Bye for now.